Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common issue many of us face with our Bluetooth earbuds. They're connected, but there is no sound. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First things first, let's check the volume on your device. Sometimes it's the simplest things that trip us up. Make sure your volume is turned up and not muted. Also, check the volume on your earbuds if they have physically volume controls. Next, let's try reconnecting your Bluetooth earbuds. Go to your Bluetooth settings. Then find your earbuds in the list of paired device and disconnect them. Then reconnect by selecting them again. This can often reset the connection and resolve any issues. Sometimes the audio might be playing through a different source. If you have multiple Bluetooth devices paired, your audio might be going to another device. On your phone, check if the audio output is set to your Bluetooth AirPods. If you're still having trouble, try restarting both your phone and your Bluetooth earbuds. Power them off, wait a few seconds, and then turn them back on. This can help clear any temporary glitches. If none of these steps works, it might be time to reset your earbuds to factory settings. This process varies by brand, so check your user manual or the manufacturer's website for specific instructions. After resetting, pair your earbuds with the device again. And finally, if you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to contact the manufacturer's support team. They can provide more specific troubleshooting or arrange for a repair or replacement if necessary. I hope these tips helped you fix your Bluetooth AirPods. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.